Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. Welcome to this review of the LG XG2T, a wireless portable speaker with a compact size but packs so many features. We're going to unfold each one of them. So without wasting further more time, let's jump into this video. The XG2, very compact that we have here, and an amazing portable speaker that we have at our hands. So first component that we have is going to be the charger. It is a USB to Type-C, which is fantastic. Let's take out the unit right over here. And we'll place the rest to the side and just unwrap this. Okay, that is the XG2. It does come through with this amazing mesh design with the XBOOM logo right over there. And at the back, you do got its air vents for the speaker system, Bluetooth compatibility, and our sound boost button right over there with a volume up and down knob, which is absolutely amazing. You might be asking yourself, what is the string right over here? Well, this actually allows you to attach this unit wherever you like. So whether you're going hiking, attach it with your bag, or if you're going on a bike, you can also attach it to your bike. But essentially, it is limitless amount of sort of places we can put the XG2. So this will definitely become your buddy when it comes down to all your adventures, and that is going to be an amazing portable speaker to have with you. So that is the two components that do come in the box. Let's talk more about the features of the XG2. So we're outside because we want to showcase the IP67 water resistance that the XG2 comes with. This essentially means that you can drop it into 1 meter up to 30 minutes, and we're going to be doing exactly that. So let's get straight into the water test. So what you just witnessed was its waterproof functionality. It does have the IP67 rating, which is both water and dustproof. But the other standards that pass through the military certification is that it can also withstand rain, high temperatures, salt fog, as well as shock absorption and vibration. So this is really durable on all your adventures. Let's move over to the other features that this little compact guy has to offer.
Get boom boom boom, gotta 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 get boom boom boom.
So when it comes down to sound, it is equipped with a 1.5-inch woofer unit that delivers a total of 5 watts that can achieve up to 80 decibels output. When it comes down to its compact size, I think that absolutely delivers a punch of audio that can be suitable for any environment. And it does have a sound boost mode that will give you more punchier bass as well as clearer vocals when listening to the XG2. Right over here is its Type-C port to charge the unit, and we did see a charge time of up to 4 hours that will deliver a playtime up to 10 hours, and that is also going to be suitable for when you do go out on your adventures. Let's move over to the next point. If you notice off the bat that we've added another XG2 into the video, is because we're going to start talking about its wireless party link. There are two ways to wireless party link the XG2, and that is in dual stereo mode, left and right, or in multi-mode, where you can add up to 10 extra XG2s together. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial via the LG XBOOM application available on iOS as well as Android. So let's get straight into that part. Launch the XBOOM application on your phone, scroll down to where you will see wireless party link. Like I've mentioned, there's two modes, dual mode and multi-mode. Dual is great if you want to get left and right stereo mode with the two XBOOM XG2 speakers. Multi-mode is great if you want to connect more than two speakers to each other. Now, because I only have two in the showroom, I'll demonstrate dual mode. Searching nearby speakers. If your speaker is not picked up, what you need to do is on the XG2 is see for the Bluetooth button, click and hold until you hear a noise. That noise signifies that it is in pairing mode and it's ready to be connected. Then you click connection and then you can hear that it says two speakers are being connected. Now you got a left and a right, and when you play your music, you'll then get left and right in dual mode. Absolutely amazing, and you can actually connect up to 10 in multi-mode. So imagine the sound stage you can build with the XG2, whether it is in your home, on a hike, in a tent campsite. It is absolutely amazing. So in this video, we managed to talk durability, sound output, as well as its multi-link functionality. I think lastly, we need to talk about some of its smart features. So if you don't know, if you press the play pause button for up to 5 seconds, you could actually launch the Siri or Google Assistant, depending if you're using iOS or Android. You could also take phone calls while connected to the Bluetooth device because it does have a built-in microphone, so that allows for convenience of taking calls. I think lastly, we need to look in deeper into the LG XBOOM app so that you can know a lot more about its features and how it's able to conveniently control the portable speaker. So let's get straight into that. Okay, so let's look at it, right? You get a product profile image of the device you're connected to. You also will get the battery life that is remaining right over there. You do have a slider to control the volume gain on the XBOOM. The next part is the equalizer. So you can either go standard or sound boost or create your own with the different hertz right over there. Now we scroll down, you can create a playlist or you can access your music file. Now the music file on iPhone is going to access the downloaded audio you have in Apple Music, which I think is very convenient to have directly on the application right over here. Now XBOOM Lab. Now this is probably one of the coolest features about the XBOOM app, is that if you want to go through some meditation or just listening to some nature sounds, it actually has its own built-in music as well as timers that you can set right over here within the application. So you can go into setting and you can choose the type of sounds that you would like to have. For example, you can listen to some insects, you can listen to the raindrops, and this sort of helps people sleep. Or if you're looking for some meditation sounds, you can actually get that as well. That is actually so good that the XBOOM Lab actually exists within the LG XBOOM Go. When you go down, you got sleep timer, you got wireless party link, and then you got more product settings. So here you can have your multiplay mode enabled. You can also enjoy the auto power management. So if there's no connection, it will just switch off automatically, and you can have auto power on. So this essentially, if external devices are trying to connect, for example, your phone to the XBOOM Go, it will be able to turn it on from a power off. So that is the LG XBOOM app. Very convenient in using right over there. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. The last thing for me to do is sign out. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I think I'm going to take a rest after that recording.